Here is a simple exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. Let's define a function addPrices. The first mandatory argument will be taxRate, and then let's use rest operator for an undefined amount of prices to sum. Function addPrices with arguments taxRate and then rest of prices, and let total will be initialized with 0, and then for let price of prices, for each price let's add it to total, and we have to increase the total sum by the tax rate. So return total plus total multiplied by tax rate. And now let's test our cases. We can pass prices separated by commas, so console log addPrices with the tax rate 0.1 and the prices 10, 20, and 30, and the result is 66. Or we can put prices in the array, so let prices is array of 5, 15, 25, and 35, and then let's pass them with a spread operator. So console log addPrices with tax rate of 0.2 and rest of prices. And the result is 96.